Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's me again, your very own friend right here. So in this video I'm going to show you on how to install the AC alternator on the rear side of the engine, so watch out! So at first we have to align both engine and the AC alternator. A generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into a electrical power. So the engine considered as a mechanical energy, while the AC alternator is a electrical power. The engine will drive the shaft of the AC alternator in order to produce electricity. So we have to align first the AC alternator on the rear side of the engine. We have to put some bolts, external bolts, so that the AC alternator and the engine will be fastened together. But please do not tighten the external bolts, because we're just initially aligning the AC alternator to the engine. Because the next thing to do is we have to secure first the alignment of the rotor plate of the AC alternator to the flywheel. So the inner bolt must be aligned to the thread of the flywheel, so that we can tighten the inner bolts normally, as you can see in the video. So internal bolts must be first to be tightened and to be followed by the external bolts. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope you got some ideas about generator and on how to install the AC alternator to the rear side of the engine. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you on my next videos. Take care and God bless.